Does your air conditioner make you uncomfortable?
It's always too hot or too cold.
It's too warm when the sun is shining.
It's too cold when there's a thunderstorm. It's freezing when I wake up.
Air conditioners only allow you to set a temperature, but many other factors affect your comfort. Humidity, weather, sunlight, and even your daily metabolic cycle. Ambi Climate solves these problems by revolutionizing the usage paradigm of air conditioners. Just tell us if you're hot, cold, or comfortable, and our award-winning AI solution will automatically adjust your air conditioner to improve your comfort and help you save energy.